Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where RealTek extension is not working on your computer or you're not able to download the extension, then I'll help you with the resolutions. The first resolution is to delete the software distribution and cat2 folders on your system, and I'll make this process very easy for you. So simply search for the word fix win in the Windows search bar and open this option here, fix win for Windows 10, the Windows Club option. Now scroll down here and click on download file. This file will be downloaded as a zip file. Open it, right click on it, and then select extract all. Click on extract, go to the extracted folder and click on this fix win to open it. If it gives a prompt, then simply click on yes. So on the list on the left hand side, go to additional fixes here, and on these tabs on the top, click on quick fixes. Now click on reset software distribution folder. It will need a while. Then click on reset cat2 folder. Press yes, hit enter. Then the third one is to reset the Windows update history. This one. It will say that the service is stopping, then it will start, and all of that. So once all of these three fixes are done, it should be solved for most of the users. But if it is not resolved, then I'll help you with other solutions. So the second solution will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings on the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now this will need a few seconds to load this new troubleshooter because it has migrated and it is detecting problems now. In a while it will fix it if possible. Meanwhile, we will proceed with the third solution. So the third solution is to download the RealTek drivers directly. Simply open google.com and search for RealTek driver. If it is an audio driver, then search for the audio driver and then download the zip file. I accept the terms and all, wait for the file to download. It is a huge file, a 600 something MB file, so you'll need to wait till it downloads. Then extract this folder and run this file, and it will definitely solve the problem because you're directly using the Realtek drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.